మధుర్ భండార్కర్ అసలు ఆయన సినిమాలు చూస్తే ఆ సినిమాల్లో ఒక ట్రూత్ ఉంటుంది. అదే ట్రూత్ఫుల్ పర్సన్ మధుర్ భండార్కర్ ఈరోజు ఒక స్పిరిచువల్ జర్నీలో వచ్చారు. ఆయన అడిగి తెలుసుకుందాం హౌ ఇస్ ఏ స్పిరిచువల్ జర్నీ గోయింగ్ ఆన్. సో మధుర్జీ, ఫస్ట్లీ వెల్కమ్ టు हैदराबाद.
Thank you so much. It's great pleasure to always be in Hyderabad.
यस, सो मधुर जी, हैदराबाद में आपके जो स्पेशल मोमेंट्स है कौन से मोमेंट्स है? आप तो बहुत बार आए होंगे यहाँ पर.
मैं आपके चैनल के माध्यम से बोलना चाहूँगा कि हैदराबाद आई हैव ओल्ड रूट्स बिकॉज आई वर्कड इन हैदराबाद विद मिस्टर राम गोपाल वर्मा.
जी.
तो आई स्टेड हियर इन हैदराबाद ऑलमोस्ट 4 to 4.5 years. So I used to come and go from Mumbai, Hyderabad. So बहुत से यादें हैं, बहुत से things are there which I always remember in Hyderabad, and I always feel great to be in Hyderabad. And today, especially global spirituality महोत्सव जो हो रहा है, उसके लिए मैं यहाँ पे आया हूँ.
सो आपके मूवीज़ में हम देखते हैं वी सी मोर ऑफ ट्रुथ इन योर मूवीज़. यू शो लाइक द जो मतलब चेहरा है दुनिया का वो बहुत साफ तरीके से बताते हो आप. तो बताइए कितने स्पिरिचुअल हो आप कुछ मेडिटेशन करते हो और कितने सालों से
मैं
फॉलो
बहुत
कर रहे हो?
स्पिरिचुअल हूँ. मैं बहुत ही हमेशा मैं बचपन से हूँ. ऑलवेज बिलीव इन गॉड. हमेशा मुझे अच्छा लगता है पूजा करना, आरती करना, सत्संग में जाना.
जी.
उस तरह की चीज़ें हमेशा रही है मेरे यहाँ पे भी, और मुझे जितना मौका मिलता था हमेशा ही मैं करता हूँ. आज भी मेरा ट्विटर इंस्टाग्राम फीड देखेंगे आप तो आप देखेंगे कि मधुर जो है ट्रैवल बहुत करता है, चाहे वो स्पिरिचुअलिटी के हो, चाहे मुझे ऐसा लीजर के लिए जब लगता है, एडवेंचर के लिए से कोई ट्रैवल, चाहे मुझे पहाड़ हो, सी हो. आई लव ऑल दिस
So you are
थिंग्स.
very much connected to nature.
Absolutely nature and spirituality. I think it's very much because we the film industry we stay. It's basically it is एक बहुत बड़ा फसाड है, एक अनरियल वर्ल्ड होता है जिसमें हम लोग कोशिश करते हैं कि एक फिल्म दिखाने के लिए. तो आई एम बेसिकली पर्सन हु इज कनेक्टेड विद द रूटेड थिंग्स इन माई लाइफ, लाइक माई मूवीज यू सेड
Yes.
रियलिस्टिक है, तो वही दिखाता हूँ और मुझे अच्छा लगता है टू शो द रियल वर्ल्ड. एंड दैट इज़ द रीज़न आई ऑलवेज स्टे कनेक्टेड विद रियलिटी. आई स्टे कनेक्टेड विद पीपल across the globe. I visit film festival also. I visit a lot of functions where you meet people. जैसे आज स्पेशली I've come over here global spirituality पे महोत्सव में. अच्छा लगता है यहाँ पे आके because you meet so many people under one roof.
Yes.
इतने लोगों से मिलना होता है, सबका अलग अलग पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू होता है, and it's absolutely great. So I'm very happy to be part of this spirituality over here in Hyderabad. And I think it's a great thing.
So do we see a spiritual movie coming from your side, the truth behind spirituality? क्योंकि आप तो ट्रुथ बताते हो सबको.
नहीं देखिए, वो डिपेंड करता है स्क्रिप्ट क्या है, सब्जेक्ट क्या है. बट मेरे ख्याल से स्पिरिचुअलिटी एक ऐसा चीज़ है वे एवरीबडी कनेक्ट्स अ लॉट. एंड फॉर मी एज अ फिल्म मेकर, एज अ पर्सन हु ट्रैवल सो मच, आई ऑलवेज ट्राई टू सीक लॉट ऑफ blessings, lot of positivity by attending such forums, such mahotsav where spirituality is very necessary. In today's world, if we see, जिस हिसाब से when we see today's world, कि there is so much of everything is changed now. Everything is become very electronic. Everything has become very digital. तो उसके बीच में आपको टाइम निकाल के मेरे ख्याल से हर इंसान के लिए every person should do spirituality. Every person को अपना टाइम होना चाहिए. वो किसी भी देवी देवता को मानता हो, किसी भगवान को मानता हो, किसी को मानता हो, any religion I'm talking about. तो they should remove time for that little time for where they connect with God. I think very necessary. Because 24/7 अगर हम मोबाइल में रील देखते रहेंगे, फीड देखते रहेंगे, क्या चल रहा है बोल के, तो in between you have to switch off your mobile, keep in silent mode, keep it away, and go into the spirituality mode.
Yeah. So you said you have a very deep and nice connection with Hyderabad. So are we seeing, because everything is pan India now, so are we seeing you directing here or doing something with Ram Charan or Prabhas or Junior NTR? आपके favorite कौन है actors?
बहुत है. Ram Charan, I love Ram Charan. In fact, I met him recently in an airport lounge recently. We spoke a lot. A big fan of Ram Charan, Mahesh Babu also, and earlier actors, Nagarjuna, Chiranjeevi Garu, and everybody like some great talents are there, and I would very happy that I learned my technical skill in the city. So it's been a very emotional for me whenever I come to Hyderabad. Hyderabad has changed a lot. It is not the Hyderabad where it was.
Nawabi Hyderabad.
Yeah, then it is completely changed now.
Yes.
In terms of a lot of development has
Development.
happened, huge, especially the Jubilee Hills, Banjara Hills. Like once upon a time, I used to drive in Hyderabad. I used to go on the bike, cycle, motorcycle, so many things. But now it's completely changed. ऐसा लगता है ये कहाँ है? So it's a great thing, and I feel that it is good for a change for the people of Hyderabad. And I love the food. I love Andhra food a lot, and I love the spicy food. So I have a lot of things, and love the biryanis also. And I think that's a thing, and I'm very happy whenever I get opportunity. I'm always in Hyderabad to meet people, old friends also.
So your old friends want to do some project with you. Did you propose something to them?
See, if I have a subject, I'll definitely make. Recently, my film Bubbly Bouncer with Tamanna Bhatia did very well, and I got so many fans over here who have seen Bubbly Bouncer in Telugu. So I think it's absolutely great. Big thanks for them for appreciating my films. And so many years, it's been 25 years in the film industry now. From Chandni Bar, Page 3, Corporate, Fashion, Heroine, Bubbly Bouncer, India Lockdown, all the movies, they have appreciated a lot. The love they have given me is huge. And always because of them, I'm here.
So मधुर जी के जीवन में सबसे मधुर और अच्छे मेमोरीज क्या है?
Well, मेरी जो सक्सेसफुल फिल्म थी चांदनी बार, आई रिमेंबर शॉर्ट ईयर इन रामोजी फिल्म सिटी, एंड वहाँ पे हमने कुछ 15-20 दिन शूटिंग किया था तब्बू के साथ. तब्बू ऑल्सो इज फ्रॉम हैदराबाद. So great memories over here.
You're in touch with her?
Yeah. 100%. We keep talking or chatting चलते रहता. But nice, very talented actors, and I think Chandni Bar changed the whole dynamic for her as an actress. As the national award, it got 4 national award. It changed the whole grammar of the film industry, I would say, in 2001 because the kind of movie it was. So I think it's a great journey for me from Chandni Bar to India Lockdown has been here. 15 movies I made. So memories are there. And Hyderabad, whenever I come, I have bun maska, chai, all these things I miss over here. मैंने खाया लेकिन कल
जी.
अच्छा लगा मुझे यहाँ पे आके. तो बहुत सी मेमोरी है हैदराबाद. एंड ऑलवेज एबिट्स का एरिया भी मुझे याद है अच्छी तरह.
जी.
तो काफ़ी चीज़ें हैं जो मुझे याद है. हुसैन सागर लेक के वहाँ पे मैं स्कूटर चलाता था, मुझे याद है. तो ये बहुत सी हैदराबाद की मेमोरीज बहुत है मेरे लिए.
जी. तो अभी आप नेक्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट्स क्या करने वाले हो?
Next
We're
project,
eagerly
I'm
waiting for
just
Madhur
working.
ji.
I just did last year Bubbly Bouncer in India Lockdown. It's done very well on the OTT platform. People appreciate the kind of love they've given me. So right now I'm writing the films. और जैसे ready होगा, I'll announce soon with you all and announce it.
Thank you so much, sir. Wonderful
Thank
talking to
you.
you. We really had a very good time with you.
Thank you so much. Lots of love, Hyderabad, all the people. Thank you.
సో చూసారు కదా, దట్ వాస్ మధుర్ భండార్కర్. ఆయన ఏమంటున్నారంటే హైదరాబాద్ అంటే ఆయనకి చాలా ఇష్టం. ఆయన ఫస్ట్ టెక్నికల్ జర్నీ హైదరాబాద్లోనే జరిగింది. రామోజీ ఫిల్మ్ సిటీలో ఆయన చాలా సినిమాలు కూడా షూట్ చేశారు. కెమెరా పర్సన్ అలీతో తరుణ, ఎన్టీవీ హైదరాబాద్.